But the one thing I learned about filmmaking, a very important ingredient to making a successful film, isn't in the book. And it's not in any book I ever read. And the really successful ingredient is to surround yourself with good people. People who are dedicated, not necessarily people with experience, just people who are willing to jump in there with you. And so, in honor of the people who helped me out, thank you guys. This toast is for you.
As I'm walking down the hall, I turn around and tell them, go back to the shopping mall. I won't change. I won't change. I wanna be strange. Why would I want to be like you? Your comments and opinions don't mean anything to me. I like the way I do things, so don't try to change me. I won't change you. I won't rearrange. I won't change you. I won't rearrange.
Hello. My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Granny Smith,